Ever pondered why the UPSC exam holds such a high reputation? Or why good study material is the cornerstone of preparation for this daunting task? Well, the Union Public Service Commission exam, more commonly known as the UPSC, is one of the most challenging examinations in India. It requires not just intelligence, but also a strategic approach and the right resources. Good study material is the foundation of this preparation, acting as a beacon of knowledge and guidance. Let's delve into some books that have gained popularity among UPSC aspirants and have shown to be pivotal in their journey of preparation. First on the list is Indian Polity by M. Laxmikanth. This book is often hailed as the Bible for UPSC aspirants. It breaks down complex political concepts into easily understandable language, making it an ideal companion for those tackling the Indian Polity section of the exam. Next up is Certificate Physical and Human Geography by Go Cheng Leong. This book offers a comprehensive view of the subject, providing aspirants with a deep understanding of geography, which is essential for the UPSC exam. Another noteworthy mention is Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh. It covers the vast landscape of India's economy in a detailed yet accessible manner, making it an indispensable resource for economic concepts. Then we have A Brief History of Modern India by Rajiv Ahir. This book provides a concise overview of India's journey over the centuries and is a must-read for those looking to conquer the history section of the UPSC exam. In the world of general knowledge, Manorama Yearbook stands out. It is a treasure trove of current affairs and general knowledge, making it a favorite among UPSC aspirants. Lastly, NCERT books from grades 6 to 12 are recommended for their simple language and comprehensive coverage of all basic concepts. These books are not just popular, they have been instrumental in the success of many UPSC toppers. They provide a solid foundation and a detailed understanding of complex concepts, making them an integral part of any UPSC aspirant's study material. In summary, the UPSC exam is a challenging yet achievable goal. The right study material can act as a catalyst in this journey, providing knowledge and guidance. Indian Polity by M. Laxmikanth, Certificate Physical and Human Geography by Go Cheng Leong, Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh, A Brief History of Modern India by Rajiv Ahir, Manorama Yearbook, and NCERT books from grades 6 to 12 are some of the popular books recommended for UPSC preparation. Remember, success in the UPSC exam doesn't come only from hard work, but also from smart work. Choosing the right study material is a step in the right direction. Happy studying!